You ready to go have fun?
Yeah. Watching the pelicans from the floaty is so much fun. Absolutely beautiful. I don't want to leave here. After a fun visit to La Paz for Carnival, we were in need of some relaxing beach time. Luckily, a short drive away are some of Baja's best beaches. Tucked away between the mountains is Playa El Tecolote, one of Baja's most popular free camping spots. Welcome to Tecolote. Now we're just gonna go find a parking spot on the beach.
A lot of vans.
Oh yeah. We're here! This is home for the next couple of days. Its long sandy beach and calm waters are absolutely stunning, and as soon as we arrived, we jumped right in. We spent the rest of our first day sitting in the sand, being thoroughly entertained by the pelicans. We love being able to wake up in incredible places just like this one. Our off-grid van is perfect for it, and it's one of our favorite parts of van life.
Someone came by asking if we wanted to buy some farm fresh eggs. So we bought a dozen. He said they were made 60 kilometers away from here, and we're happy to support local, and I eat eggs every day, so that's awesome. So let's have some eggs for lunch.
Watching the pelicans from the floaty is so much fun. They come really close to you as well. They just don't even care that I'm floating around here. They're just dive bombing looking for fish. We're just taking a break from lounging on the beach to hike up the hills that are close by to a viewpoint. I think there's beaches on the other side, so maybe we'll be able to see them. So we just walked over to the other side of Tecolote Bay. That hill on the other side is Tecolote, and there's so many beautiful beaches here. Like that way is a beautiful beach. There's a beautiful beach. There's a beautiful beach. All around us, it's so pretty. The beaches in Baja California Sur are absolutely spectacular. They are just stunning. Like they're beautiful long stretches of white soft sand and then crystal clear calm water. It's just paradise. It's absolutely beautiful. I don't want to leave here.
That was really beautiful. I think now we're gonna head back before the sun sets and have some dinner. I don't know what that is. An eel, maybe?
That looks like an eel. Ugh. So we've seen a lot of things wash up on this beach. There has been broccoli, there has been pufferfish. That was an eel. Today we're making a quick trip over to visit Balandra Bay. This is a beautiful beach that is about 5 minutes down the road from us, but you can't overland at it. It opens at 8 AM and closes at noon, and then opens up again at 1 o'clock and closes again at 5. So no camping there, but we can make a day trip. We're getting up to arrive there at 8 o'clock in hopes of beating a lot of the crowds. This is a type of beach where you're going to be getting tour buses of people flooding in to see it.
So this bay has a lot of different lagoons in it, and we want to go check them out, and we didn't want to rent kayaks, so we have our floaties and we're just going to go float and paddle. Okay, you ready to go have fun?
Yeah. So we're just kicking our way around the bay right now. We spotted an arch over that way towards the outlet, so that's where we're going next.
The whole bay is shallow enough to walk in, even at high tide.
We made it over to the famous Mushroom Rock. So the Mushroom Rock over there is one of the main tourist attractions here at Balandra, which is cool to see. It's definitely crowded with lots of people, but this second beach is beautiful. The sand is so soft, the water is shallow, and it's nice and warm, and we're just really enjoying hanging out here. It's 11:30 and Balandra Bay closes for 1 hour from 12 to 1 PM. So we're gonna start making our way back. The bay is so shallow that I think we can actually walk the entire way. So that's gonna be what the plan is. And we'll just walk around the coast back to the main bay. Probably about 5 minutes. The water level is so shallow that you can walk, you don't need floaties, but the floaties are fun.
It's so beautiful here.
Cheers! We bought some empanadas from a lady walking down the beach selling them, so we're gonna have them for dessert. We got pineapple and we got strawberry, so we're gonna have pineapple now, strawberry later. Living in such a small space means it gets dirty very quickly, so I'm going to take some time and clean the van, and Jake is taking Finnley for a walk down the beach. This beach unfortunately has quite a lot of garbage on it, so Jake is going to take a garbage bag and clean the beach up.
We went to the whole end.
Wow.
I also started talking to people.
Nice.
And I saw a mom and two little kids picking up garbage, and that lady's picking up garbage.
Oh, good job.
There's two different groups now picking up garbage.
Good job. Yeah.
There's a lot in here actually.
Finnley helped, and we found 2 tennis balls. Lucky bug. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to join us on our journey across Mexico. We'll see you next time.